Peace family, is me, Key, back again with another affirmation reading for you guys. Let's get started. So we're going to start with the spirit animal deck first. Already pre-shuffled. I'm not doing anything. Let's see what we have today. Ooh. We have a lion. Lion. Strength, courage, leadership, royalty. Guide or messenger, helping individuals overcome challenges and embrace their inner power. Balance between strength and compassion, reminding us to lead with both forces and gentleness. Lion. Okay. Now let's get you guys the affirmation. Oh. I am strong enough. I am strong enough. So the message that I have for you guys today is invest in yourself. Invest in yourself. Give yourself the power. What are you devoting your time, effort, energy, and money into? Is it an investment or is it a waste? So just remember, whatever you do, make sure you're getting something out of it. Make sure you're gaining. Make sure you're multiplying. Invest in yourself. So that's the message for today. I love you guys. And I will catch you on the next one. Ashe.